Hello, and welcome to Rebirth Daily. Rebirth Daily is a space for daily inspiration, encouragement, and transformation. Together, we'll work on shifting your mindset, overcoming obstacles, and rediscovering inner strength, one day at a time. On this channel, you'll find affirmations in both long and short format, personal reflections, and practical guidance to help you break free and step into an empowered life. Every day is a new opportunity to reset, renew, and grow. We're in this together. Through daily affirmations and intentional change, you can move towards a stronger, healthier, and more fulfilled life. If you're ready to embrace your transformation, I invite you to listen, repeat, and make these affirmations your own. Share your experiences and engage with the community. We're here to support each other. Let's begin with a simple breathing exercise to help you feel grounded and focused before we start our affirmations. Let's take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Feel free to use a pillow or anything that will make you feel more comfortable. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Now, place one hand on your stomach and one on your chest. Let's begin. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel your stomach rise as your lungs fill with air. Hold this breath for just a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your stomach gently fall as you release any tension. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply through your nose. Let your breath expand your belly. Feel a sense of calm flowing in. And now exhale slowly. Let go of any stress, any tightness. One more time. Breathe in deeply. Fill your body with fresh energy, fresh air. Hold and slowly breathe out. Relax, release, let go. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Lighter, calmer, more present. Every breath is a reset. Every breath is a new beginning. Whenever you need a moment of peace, you can return to this simple practice throughout the day, anytime. You are safe, you are strong, you are here. Now that you've connected with your breath, let's take it a step further. Affirmations have the power to rewire your mind and shape your reality. The words we speak and the thoughts we repeat become the foundation of our lives. As you listen to the following affirmations, either repeat them out loud or absorb them deeply. Let them sink into your mind and heart and feel their truth. I will be repeating the affirmations twice. Listen the first time and try repeating with me the second time. I am stronger than my past, and I create my future with intention. I am stronger than my past, and I create my future with intention. Every breath I take fills me with peace, strength, and clarity. Every breath I take fills me with peace, strength, and clarity. I release all doubt and trust in my ability to heal and grow. I release all doubt and trust in my ability to heal and grow. I am worthy of love, success, and endless possibilities. I am worthy of love, success, and endless possibilities. I choose to step into my power and embrace my highest potential. I choose to step into my power and embrace my highest potential. My challenges do not define me, they strengthen me. My challenges do not define me, they strengthen me. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity and self-love. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity and self-love. Every day, I am reborn into a stronger, wiser version of myself. Every day, I am reborn into a stronger, wiser version of myself. I am limitless, and I am becoming the best version of me. I am limitless, and I am becoming the best version of me. The better it gets, the better it gets. The better it gets, the better it gets. Let these words stay with you. Carry them throughout your day. Every time you repeat them, you reinforce a new reality. Commit to these affirmations for 30 days and watch how your mindset transforms. For convenience, on the Rebirth Daily page, you'll find a separate video titled 30-Day I Am Affirmation Challenge. Transform your life in 1 month. This video includes the same breathing exercise and affirmations, so you can easily follow along every day. Welcome to Rebirth Daily. Together we rise, one affirmation, one breath, one day at a time.